If you want to call and text on other devices with the help of your Samsung Galaxy A27, then first of all we need to go to Settings. Now over here in Settings we should be able to go to Connected Devices, and then here in this menu we have Call and Text on Other Devices. So we can go over here, you might want to tap on Continue and grant all of these permissions to be able to use it. You might also allow Bixby and text on Galaxy devices over here. Then we can exit this setting. You can also select which SIM you want to use to be able to call and text on other Galaxy devices. So you can of course choose SIM 1, SIM 2 if you have both of them, or you can use both SIMs or with Wi-Fi only. And you can also make this your primary phone. So of course, if that option shows up, then you will have to probably make a switch. And there we go. And we can find call on other devices and text on other devices, which we can easily enable or disable. Now keep in mind that this option works only on other Galaxy devices. So for example, Galaxy tablet, watch, computer, and so on and so forth. Leave a like and subscribe.